Yo, hey guys, so welcome to Blender. Today we're gonna make something cozy and chill, something about coffee, and let's go. So the first I'm gonna go here and delete everything, go shift A mesh and go to circle, and we're gonna go to edit mode, F to fill, and then E for extrude, something higher, let's make it something like this, and then we go with S for scale, so scale a little bit, and we're gonna go here, Ctrl R, add one loop cut, set it in the top like this, and we can boost it a little, and I think we're okay. So for now we are good. We go to wireframe and delete this one, so delete the edges and the vertices too. Now we need just to go here, select this edge and F to fill, and now we're good. So the next I'm gonna go one more time here, then we go with I to insert face, something close to this, then ES, and go to the same, then goes E for extrude, E for extrude, something close to this one, and make this down a little bit, this one higher, so we have this shape here. Then we go in top view, goes I to insert frame again, insert face, then we go with extrude, something cool like this, maybe make it higher a little, and here we go with another insert face, and then drop it down, extrude inside, and about this we can delete it, like delete the face, or we can keep it, this is not gonna be shown by the way, we need one more circle here, so I can copy this one, and B to separate it. Let's go apply and set origin to a geometry and scale it down, something small, something like this, and go select everything, and E for extrude. We go with insert face again, and extrude inside. Then we go select the both edges, go with Ctrl B for the bevel, and make sure to hit C for active clipping. Something like this, make it rounded if you want, and I'm gonna drop it down like this one. So as next we're gonna need to just go here, add subsurface. You can add it manually from here, add modifier, and go to search and subsurface, or you can just hit Ctrl+2, and now we have the shape. So about this face here, this problem gonna fix it by insert face, insert face, insert face, or you have this beauty method. Gonna go here and delete the face, and go to this edge. Let's hide this one. Go to selected face and hit Ctrl F and grid fill or beauty fill, but grid fill is okay. So when we turn back, you're gonna see everything good. So nothing to worry about. You just need to add one more loop cut here to make it sharp, and one on top, like this. And we're gonna do the same here. One loop cut here, and there's one here. Going down, make something cool. So for this, we can just bevel them or add loop cuts, but I think bevel is good. So I'm gonna select this both here, go with bevel, close to this one. And here that's good. So next we're gonna need to go with this one and choose smooth. This one, okay. So next we need like make part of the machine here, machine for the coffee. So this one pretty simple. You can just go take any one or any edge like this one, Shift D, and then B to separate it. And go here, drop it down and make it smaller. But before this, we need to go with Ctrl A, apply everything, and go set origin to a geometry. So the center point is here. So as you see, I can scale it from this point or just drag it. So this is the middle point. So I'm gonna scale it a little bit smaller, and go here, select everything, and extrude. We have this one, so I'm gonna delete it. Something like this is gonna be okay. shape flat for right now. And all we need like something for the coffee, or the coffee machine, so this board can be perfect, like this. And this face, insert, insert, then extrude up. I'm gonna select this edge here, and this one, and this one. Goes Ctrl B. I think I don't need this one here. Goes Ctrl B to add something clear like this. Then goes Ctrl+2 to add subsurface and shadow smooth. And as you know, we need to fix this face here. So I'm gonna make it like this. And above this we can add the loop cut if you want. But this one is pretty cool. So next we need a cup of coffee here. So I can just copy this and rotate 180. Just drop this down. And about this cup of coffee, it's gonna be simple. Just go here and or maybe here. Just take any one, any edge, copy it. We go make it smaller. And go here, edit mode, F to fill, E for extrude, and select this down edge, Ctrl B to bevel, and try to bevel smooth like this. Then go here, insert face, extrude inside. You can go with wireframe like this, make sure it touches the bottom. Then scale it down. Then you can give it a bevel. Something close to this one. And if you want to make it sharp, you can go with one loop cut here, one loop cut here, close to the edge. And we're gonna set it inside here. Now we need the board of the machine, like the handle or such stuff. This one is gonna be pretty easy. So we only need like some keys here. So the key is gonna be circles, RX19, RZ19. Scale it down, go F, E for extrude, and set it here, top. So it's Ctrl B. Then I need this edge here. Shift T and B to separate it. F to fill, E for extrude. And I'm gonna tell you why. So I need to just make like it's part of cut or something inside. Make this one smaller. And try to align it with here between this face, this edge and down edge. This is gonna be perfect. So for now I'm gonna copy this and go Alt D and try to face project it. Something like this. Need to go with this one here, this one here. And to fix this one, just add the, sorry, you can add loop cuts here. I'm gonna do the same. I think this is all the same copy, so it's work. So next we need the handle. So let's think about handle and how we're gonna make it. So maybe I need another part here, like coffee drop on something, have handle. Or maybe something like this, H, Shift D and B to separate it. Just drop it down. Edit mode, F to fill, and E for extrude. Something close to this. Add one H here, one H down. And I'm gonna go select this face here, like in front view. And the bridge symbol, we're gonna go here and go Shift A mesh and circle. And make small or X19. Go in here. Just apply the origin point and go in here. In front and try to align it in the middle. Then goes F to fill and E for extrude. We're gonna use this point here from inside like this, and another extrude and scale it down. This one, scale it down. Then goes extrude. Then we go with this part here. Goes Ctrl B for the bubble. Something close to this. Go Ctrl+2. And for the face, I'm gonna go here. You can make grid fill or just insert, insert, insert. And the smooth. And I'm gonna use this one. Or maybe add one more loop cut. Like here. And Shift D and then B to separate it. And when I find it, I'm gonna select everything. F to fill and E for extrude. Scale it and go select everything and extrude long goes normal. Something like this. And I can just disable this subsurface or align some loop cut like this to make it smooth. Insert face, insert, insert. And remember to make like edge here. So when you go extrude inside, you're gonna see the difference. Inside and another loop tool to make it sharp, shade it smooth. Don't need all of this, I'm gonna delete this. And here we go with a clean handle. I'm gonna go save, copy, and go bring this up. Try to match it like this way. Go here on top, I to insert face. I then insert small face here and connect it to this one. Another loop cut. Like this, and liquid should be here down. So we're gonna make something for liquid. Insert, insert, then go extrude inside. Go here with Control R, one on top, one bottom. Use this face, insert face. So like this. Shade smooth and you're gonna see everything cool. Next we need maybe to make a frame or something for the machine. So for the frame, I don't know what to do right now, but I will try to freestyle. And after we done with modeling, we're gonna go here, select this ring, and scroll down till we find this edges here. So I'm gonna go Shift D to duplicate, and then B to separate it. Then go select this one, and go in edit mode, F to fill, or E for extrude in Z axis, something close to this. And when it's just touch the downside here, I'm gonna go here and this one and this one. I think this 3 gonna be classy, so this is okay. So I'm gonna go here in down edge, Shift D again, and B to separate, and select the bottom one like this. Go to edit mode, E for extrude in the axis, absolutely, something close to this, and then I'm gonna select everything, and Alt E to extrude along with normals, something close to this. I think this is gonna be okay. And I have subsurface here, so I'm gonna just add loop cut. Just go here, Control R, something close to this, another loop cut. And here I'm gonna set one at the bottom, and do the same down here. Something close to this, then go shade smooth. Add one more loop cut. And scale this a little. Go shade smooth. Then I'm gonna back the bottom part. And I think now we close to be ready. So we're just gonna move to texture. Just Alt D as a fake copy. And set it down here. And then I copy this one. So Alt D again. And just move it down. Something close to this. And I think here we cool. So the next we're gonna move to the shading. And I'm already extract some color palette from a couple of image, and that was the one. And here you find site. And if you search on Google or something, I'm gonna leave all link in description. So we need to make this inside Blender or import it. I'm gonna go here, Shift A, and image as a plane, and go down desktop or where we save this, and locate your file like this. And here I'm gonna go with base color and eyedropper here, just pick the same colors, and maybe tweak a little this with silver, so brown silver as here, gonna be good. So silver, maybe just make it darker, and boost the metallic, lower the rough, something close to this. This board, I think this board is gonna be brown too. We need just customize brown or make it a little metallic. Play around with rough. This one brown. And about this keys here, I think I need to connect this. So this keys maybe, I don't know if we have a good color, but maybe red. This one should be black. So this one gonna be black, and I'm gonna boost the metallic and zero rough. Something close to this. And this one, I guess maybe brown or darker. No, it's no good. Maybe like this, zero rough. and boost it as metallic. We need the handle, so the handle may be the same color, but this one going to be silver. So this one silver, silver, and this one silver too. And this ring should be silver, so I'm gonna select this 3 and select this last one, hit Ctrl L and link material. So I think this is better. Now for this one, I think it's gonna be maybe silver or glass, or maybe silver and have 2 sides as a glass. This is the best. So let's pick silver, and then I'm gonna go here in front view, like the view of the camera, and I'm gonna select a couple like this, and go to material, new material, and hit assign. Just gonna name it as a glass, so glassy. And for the glass material, it's pretty simple. So we can just delete this, go here for the glass BSDF, and then for transparent, like this, Control and Shift and right click to connect them both to make shader. And if you don't have this, absolutely you need to go to edit and preference and search for this node, this last one. So make sure you enable, and so this last one, so make sure you enable and go here and save preference. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna connect shader, mix shader to the surface, something close to this. And this can appear in final render, or when I switch to render. So like this, you're gonna see what's inside, and we can tweak it a little. Maybe boost this. It can have full transparency or something close to this. So as you want. Now we need just to assign the full shape here. So I'm gonna select this, grab it down as GZ, and then make sure everything is connected. This is pretty good. I think if I'm okay with this shape here, I think I can let's go here, Shift A and go to the empty, and go with a cube, and just a skeleton, Y-axis like this, then S and Y, grab down, and this one to just avoid to move this alone or miss something. This one should be silver too. Silver. Then I'm gonna select all of this stuff, and last thing it's gonna be this empty. Then Control B. So when I move anything, when I move this empty, everything's all machine gonna move. I think I need to remove the camera, but it's okay. And now we looks too close to done, so then we need to HDRI or to fix lighting. So for the better lighting, we're gonna turn off every light in the scene, and let's start. So for now, I'm gonna go with switch from object to off world, and here I'm gonna go with hit F3 and search for environment texture, like this one. It's okay, and color to the color. Then open and look at my HDRI. You can find this in Polyheaven or this stuff. I'll leave link in description too. So this one, and make it strength here. Let's make it 0.3 and taste it. So this looks okay, not too good, not too bad, but we can tweak it and customize a little. So I can move it like this or until I satisfy. So maybe this one, pretty cool. 200, or you can hold shift and just move until you satisfied. But I don't want this HDRI, so I'm gonna go here to engine and scroll down to the film and enable this option. So it's gonna be like PNG or something. Then I'm gonna load these values. You don't need this color too. And maybe this ring deserves to be glass. So I'm gonna switch from off-world to object. And then go to the glass or material here, hit assign. And that mean when I switch that ring gold, it's gonna be this one or like glass. So we can test it in render. It feel like something wrong or something. I guess it was better to have some steel. But we need to edit something in modeling to make that difference between them. So I'm gonna go with this one, Shift D. Maybe select this edge and just extrude it like down. Then S to scale. I'll make something like this. Switch from glass to the silver. Okay, here, silver. Hit assign, shade smooth. And start to build our scene. So I'm gonna go Shift A mesh and plane. S for scale it. Make it big like this. And just grab down between this object or down this coffee machine. Then go to edges, select this one and this one, this one, this three. Go to the camera and easy, just extrude like this. Now as you see we have a white scene and we can play around. So for this one we're gonna pick material. Maybe it's going to be something cyan. This is okay. Green, you can pick any color. So for me I would like to this one or this one. This one feel warm or that stuff. We can change this later, but I mean for now I think this is good. Now let's switch to the lighting. So the lighting is pretty simple. Just need to push this and we go Shift A light and go to the area or spot. So start with spot, RX and tweak it like this. Denoise to activate this shape here or this shadows. And then go here to lighting. Make something like 200. Maybe until you find this shiny edge here. And then I'm copy this one with Shift D and move it a little here and go with RX again. But for this time I'm gonna make it smooth, so I'm gonna play around with this till I find it as smooth. I'm gonna make this on this one too. So let's make it smooth. So I have this shape, some color here. And about the light. Gonna use area on top like this and boost it. We make it fade or something. And when I'm done, I'm just gonna copy to this, like, this one here, this cup, Alt D, then copy, make another copy here. Better to check Shift D, just move it and copy the material, name it as X. And here we don't need this too much roughness, so I'm gonna boost it and make some stuff like this. And here when we go to the steps, figure out I can maybe make some edits on my product here. So I'm gonna go just here and copy one of this, like this one, Shift D, B to separate it. Then I select this one, just drag it little, and then go E to extrude like this. Go for the glass material, and extrude a little down. Then go here, ES, to make it something like this. Then EZ, just to boost the glass again here. Like this too. Go here. Same size as the top here, so I'm gonna make it like this and grab down, and then go select this H here, Shift D, and then B to separate it, then grab down something like this, then go in edit mode, select everything, and go here E for extrude. So let's make that glassy shade here. Like this, and then ES, make something small, another extrude, like this. And I'm gonna disable this one, then select this both edges here, and this one, go here, Control P, the bevel, so to make something like this, and then drag it down, maybe for this one. And then we have a coffee machine, so this one and this one. Then we go to render, and here we have a machine coffee. So I hope that was useful and enjoyable. So thanks for watching and have fun. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.